guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to apply CSS styles to your to-do list which you built in the last video. If you haven't built it yet, you can go watch that now. A gray card should appear at the top right corner of your screen right now, so you can click on it to go watch that last video. Anyways, let's hop right in. So first we'll style our body. We'll give it a background color of green to make it a little bit more colorful. Next, we'll style the container. Position, relative. We'll adjust its position a little bit. Then after that, you'll do container h1. Color white. This will style all the h1s in the container ID. Text decoration, underline. Text shadow. This will give it a little bit of a blurry background. So I'll put 0, 0, 4 pixels in blue. Let's see how it looks. Let's refresh. Okay, we have this glowing text right here, which is what we wanted. Next, we'll style our heading. Text transform. This will just change all the letter in the heading to uppercase. So, okay. Now we have our p tag. We'll do text transform as well for it. Oops. We'll make it red. We'll give it a font size of 15 pixels, and I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. So if I add a task like homework, it should appear below the input box. Yep. And if I click it once, it'll turn red, and if I click it one more time, it'll just go away. It should go away. I'm not clicking it correctly. There we go. So if I do this a couple of times, if I click it twice like that, it should go away. And yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share. And I'll see you guys next time.